Hey everybody, Waylon Chavez here. Um, I'm actually in Groove Funnels right now, and I thought this would be the perfect time as I was going through to do a tutorial on it. I'm actually just building a one little page uh, landing page where they can come get my ebook for free. And I was editing it, and I said, why not show you guys how I can do it? Excuse me. What I really like about Groove Funnels is if you see up here, it has a different modes where you can do. So this is mobile. As you can see, that's exactly to look on mobile. But let's say that was off and if I can configure it, if I put, say just if I take it to that and it's gonna do that. But if you put auto, it's gonna automatically center and put it exactly where you need it. The same with the photo. If I go and put it here, it actually took it out. So now let's go back. And if you hit auto, it's gonna make it look perfect for mobile. But that's gonna also go as far as iPad and landscape and iPad and uh, portrait mode. So you can see it all lines up. And that's what I really like about GrooveFunnels is you have these options. So as if you can see here, that looks pretty cool right here. You can see the book, you hit add to my order and it takes you to the link and collects the email addresses. But once they come onto your landing page, this is what they'll see. That's my company logo. They'll scroll down, your order is not yet complete. They'll see the book cover, receive a free copy, a little bit of an outline, and then yes, add it to my order. And let's see how it looks on a laptop. So if we go here, that's how it's gonna look on the laptop. And let's see if we go, let me see, design. Yeah, so it's on auto. If we change this, let's see what it does. So that looks pretty horrible because the image of the picture's not there. So let's go back to auto and let's see what this says. Let's see what it does when it says full. So that's the same thing there. Screen. And I like to keep it on auto. And then what you want to do is every time you hit it, you want to hit save just because you don't have to go back. Say if I click on something and I mess it up, I don't have to go back and redo everything. So I really wanted to share this pretty cool because most people are going to use it on their mobile. So what I'm going to do here, they get a free copy of my ebook and I'm just going to add this. I'm going to gain their email address. Once I gain their email address, they'll get a copy of the ebook and I will host that through Google Docs with a private link. And once they click the button here, it'll take them to that link where the ebook is at. So let's see if I can create this real quick. I'll show you how to do um, a logo there. I'll put my logo. So if you hit configure, and if you go choose image, it allows you to upload any images here. And you can see that's my image, obviously. That's my logo, so I can pop that in on the bottom. And it's going to fit the aspect ratio. It might be too big, so I might have to come in and it allows you to turn it on and off, and it allows you to update the dimensions, but it might be big. So let's see, select, and then all you have to do is hit update, and there it is. So as you can see, that logo does not look good, but if I want to, I can link that logo. If they click on my logo, I could link it to my Facebook page, to my URL, or another pop-up, whatever I want. So what I'll do is if I do that, I'm going to link that actually to my Facebook page. But if you go back here to design, you can actually hit auto again, and there it is, it's centered. But that doesn't look good, so what I'm going to do is get another logo, choose image, because I do have another logo of my business. And if I go, there are all my files, but showing you just how simple and how easy it is. Hit here. That would probably look a little better because it has that background. So let's do this one. And it's going to come, and all you have to do is hit upload. And there it is. It'll fix the aspect ratio. You update dimensions, and then you hit select, and then you hit update. And now that looks a lot better. And then if you, again, you want to hit save. And down here, what you can do is your brand. So what you can do here, Whoops. And say your name. And to make that look better, we do that. Take this out. And there we go. And again, you want to hit, oh, it's already saved. So you want to hit save. But then if you go back through, that's how it's going to look on mobile. That's how it's going to look on an iPad. I believe that's portrait. That's going to be landscape. And then on a laptop. Oops, let's go up here. So that's how it's going to be on a laptop right there. And this is all to build my list and gain emails. And what that's going to do is you can hit here, and if you hit configure, you can change the text. You can say, yes, add to my order, or give me the book. And you just have to hit update. But I really like, yes, add this to my order. And then just hit update, and there you go. And link, so like I said, this will link to a page once they do it, or a URL. And I'm gonna put it with the URL, but I'm gonna have to figure a way to add in an email so I can catch their emails. And right here is, if you can go pages, and you can actually drag or drop, or, and go to elements. I can create text, I can create lists, I can create a button, whatever, a form. And I'm gonna put an input field here for that's what I'm gonna put, is for a email address. And if you go here, pop-ups, let's see what they're, I don't have any pop-ups yet because I haven't created one, but it gives you the options to do, call to action. So here we go. We can add all these in there. Any alert bars you want. You can have a countdown timer. So it's pretty awesome. If you are thinking about, getting into sales funnels, and you can use them for everything. In my opinion, websites are obsolete. There's no call to actions on them. You're not gaining a list. It's just a glorified, business card. It's all information about you, but it gives the consumer or the person looking at your website no call to action like this right here. So I'm really loving GrooveFunnels. I'm really glad I purchased GrooveFunnels Lifetime. And if you want a free trial, please click the link right at the bottom of this, and it's going to take you, and it's going to give you a free trial. You can have it free for life and get up to 3 websites. But what I did is I upgraded to the lifetime free, and I never have to pay again. And I get all the updates. I get Groove Mail, I get Groove Webinars, and I will never have to pay again. So click that link on the bottom. It'll take you to there, and sign up for your free account for life. Thank you guys so much. And I really appreciate you guys joining in.